Hi folks, and welcome to In the Kitchen with Pete. Back here to my favorite spot, Boca Grande on the Gulf side of Florida. It's a beautiful day here, and the star of the show is sliders. We're gonna do them two ways. The classic way, some cheddar cheese, a little mustard and ketchup. And the next one's going to be bacon, jalapenos, and peanut butter. I'm telling you, it's so delicious. And we're going to put them on these little Hawaiian sweet rolls. They're soft, they're sweet, they're perfect for sliders. And we'll go out and share them with the public out here and see if they enjoy them. Well, let's get cooking. For my peanut sauce for the sliders, just a couple of items. Some peanut butter, some fresh diced up garlic. I've got 2 small cloves, and just a little drop of olive oil just to get all the flavors all mixed up nicely together. A little olive oil in here, my finely diced garlic, and then our peanut butter. A couple tablespoons. This really isn't about cooking it so much as mixing all those flavors together. You wouldn't believe how nicely garlic and peanut butter goes. It's delicious. We'll mix that all up, we'll set it aside. Let's get those sliders on. The burgers are ready. I whipped them up last night. All it is ground beef, no fillers. 3 items on it: salt, pepper, garlic powder, that's it. Grill sheets, you gotta have these when you're using a public grill. You put them on top of the grill. Got my charcoal going. I got my sliders ready. Let's get cooking. So these sliders only take a few minutes on each side on this hot charcoal grill. They're coming along lovely. The sliders are off the grill. Let's put these together. So for our classic cheddar, just a little bit of ketchup and mustard. And then the jalapeno bacon and peanut butter burger. I have my bacon on here. I'm gonna put a little drizzle, my lovely peanut butter and garlic sauce. Oh, look at that. And then a thin slice of jalapeno on top. And there it is. Doesn't that look delicious? I love it when I get to try the goods. Let's check it out. Oh my. That little bit of heat of jalapeno, the sweetness of the peanut butter, and the salty of the bacon. It just works. I'm gonna pack these up and share them with folks on the beach.
It was very good.
Peanut butter?
Bacon, yes.
And bacon?
Yeah.
Yes.
That is a joy. You know what I like? That is delicious.
I like
That's a very creative, though. That's a very creative slider. I never would have thought of that combination.
Have a great day.
Oh, thank you.
Big combination.
Who would have thought?
Yeah.
That is so good.
There
They
you go.
look delectable.
They sound
There you go.
disgusting,
They
but I
look-
can't wait.
Yeah, exactly.
Would you like a plate?
Thank you very much.
You guys are amazing.
Awesome. I knew this would be a good day.
I'm Roy.
Gary and Roy
All right, nice meeting you.
from
I'm from Jamestown, North Dakota. And I'm from Chicago. Bacon. What do you got? You got bacon and a little
jalapeno
jalapeno.
and peanut butter.
Oh, I can taste the peanut butter.
Yeah.
That is delicious.
It's a little
God,
peanut.
these are great.
The peanut butter sauce is a little bit of garlic in
Yeah.
there too.
So you got to go to In the Kitchen with Pete.
That's
Gotta
the
go to
one.
that. ITKW.
Well, we had a fun day out here in Boca Grande Beach. The burgers were a big hit. We passed them all out. The people seemed to love them. Well, thanks for coming out and watching In the Kitchen with Pete. Until next time, see ya.